Hi and welcome to Synaxon Blog. I'm Nathan on behalf of Synaxon. Today I want to introduce you to Matt Davis from CablesToGo. Hi Matt, how are you doing? You alright?
I'm fine, thank you Nathan, yeah.
Thanks for coming today. I know it's a long way, really appreciate it. So what have you brought with us today?
I've brought the CablesToGo Better Connected Partner Pack, which is free to Synaxon members who join our partner programme. We'll put details for that at the end of this unboxing video. Basically, there is a link to our website. Go to CablesToGo.co.uk. It's the top right hand corner. There's a reseller application form there. Fill in some details. We'll send you one of these out in the post. So today I'm going to open it up and show you what you get in your reseller pack. So what we send out, it is obviously a box of cables. Firstly, we put a RJ45 little patch cable in there, so you can see really just the quality of the build on that and what our cables are like in comparison to our competition. So there's not an immense amount to talk about on that. Everybody knows what a patch cable is.
You do a snagless version of that as well, though, don't you?
Yeah, that's right. We do. We do snagless versions. We do every kind of colour out there, really. Various lengths. We also do bulk cable in big boxes up to 305 metres, and that's the smallest one we do there, which is a 0.5 metre. All that is available from our website. You'll be able to see that in the category that cable falls into. Another thing that we do, which makes it a bit different, we do some connectors. This is one of our USB flex connectors. So obviously your USB cable will go in there, and it allows you to have flexi ends that moves in various directions.
I like that. That's really cool.
It's kind of handy for people who are building things like sort of POS tills, that kind of thing. We see a lot of guys, engineering sorts, tend to like this because when they've got cables and they need to run them around corners inside small built units, it's handy when you can actually twist the thing to where you want it to be.
Yeah, really handy.
So they do go quite well for us. I'll give you that one there to have a look at. The next thing we put into the pack is one of our 1 metre velocity HDMI cables. The velocity range is our higher end, where we have gold tip connectors. Again, HDMI is HDMI, but we put some differences in where we put, again, twisty connectors on the ends so you can turn these in various directions. I've got one of these myself actually at home. I used it where I've got my TV mounted on the wall, like most of us have. I've got 3 HDMI ports on my TV. I was using 2, needed to integrate a third. It was handy to be able to just turn that, push it straight into the back of the TV.
Yeah, it just comes straight out, doesn't it?
Exactly. So there's another one that we get. We also put one of our VGA 270 cables in the box. These twist 270 degrees. VGA is VGA, and everybody knows what that is as a standard. Again, the twist comes in handy, certainly on things like some of the graphics cards that are around in PCs now. They tend to have a quite linear VGA port where you're able to twist into it. It's still a good seller for us. VGA is going out as a standard, and people are moving towards HDMI and so on, but they're still out there. It's still worth having a look at that cable, and again having a look at the twisted sections. That's on there. Last but not least, we put one of our DVI cables into the pack as well. Again, this sells really well for us. A lot of people still using this out there in the marketplace. Not an immense amount to talk about where DVI is concerned, but we do all the different types of DVI. That's all available on the website. Again, they come in various lengths. This being a 1 metre, you'll see all the lengths that are on there as well. So you've got that to have a look at.
That's really good quality as well, isn't it?
Yeah, the build quality on all the cables is as high as I think I've ever seen in cables.
Yeah.
I've been in this industry for 16 years, and these are probably one of the greatest that I've seen in cables. I'm going to say that.
But they are very rugged.
They are,
aren't they? Yeah.
And the beauty of the pack is, you haven't got to take our word for it. You join the partner program, you get one of these, and you can see that for yourself. The other thing we put in there is a CablesToGo USB pen drive. We give these away. There is a purpose to them. You have a cable configurator on here, which is a small Excel file, so it's easy for you to send around internally within your company. So if you've got various sales guys or whatever working for you, it's handy for them. It's also got a key contacts list on there, which gives you everyone you need to speak to in the UK for CablesToGo. We're very much focused on supporting Synaxon members and supporting the resellers. So any questions, you know, there's no such thing as a stupid question, give us a call.
I agree.
We'll try and help you. It's got our product catalogue on there, which has got all of our products. It's got a product reference guide on there. It's got a few images, including our preferred partner logo, which you're free to use on your website. And that's about it for the pack.
Wonderful, good stuff. So all they need to do is go on the link, click that, go to your site, and then they can sign up from there.
Exactly, yeah. It's just small details, contact name, your address of where we need to send this to, and that's about it, really.
Wonderful. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate
No
you
problem.
coming in.
Thanks, Nathan.
Thanks.
Cheers.